Hello, I'm Arnav Hazra and today I will show how to deploy a web app using Docker and build it using Jenkins. So first we will need a web app. So this is a web app at my repository. So this is a simple Flask web app which posts different cat images when we refresh the site. So this is the main code for the app, and this is the index.html, which is the visual part of the app. And let's go. So to dockerize this app we will need a docker file. So what the docker file does is it tells the docker container while creating the image. Tells it shows all the prerequisites which are required to run the docker. I will explain it. So first we will need the base Alpine image on which the app will run, and then we will install and update Python. Since Flask, our web app runs on the Python, so first it will install and update Python and pip so that the files, and then we copied the requirement.txt in the container, and then we run the command pip install on the requirements.txt file. So whatever is inside the requirements.txt, it will be installed using the command pip install. Then we need to copy the index file, which will be the visual part of the web app. So first we copied the app.py, that is the backend of the app, into the container, and then we copied the index.html into the container. Then we export port 5000 on which the Flask server will run, and then at last the final run command to run the app. So in this way we write a docker file. So after we are done with this, we need to make sure that docker is running on our desktop. We can see docker desktop is running. So then we need Jenkins. So Jenkins is already installed on my PC. So we will create a new freestyle project and can name it as web app. So this is our web app. So we go to the configure project, then in description we can write anything, and in source code management we will be using GitHub as our source code. So we copy this our repository code from here and we paste it here. Okay, so if this error does not go, which was here before, that means Git is not installed on your system, or the path is not set properly. So mine is set properly and the error has gone. So now we will need a build trigger. So we can use GitHub hook trigger. By using this, whenever we update anything here, the Jenkins will automatically build the project. So we can do that using in the settings webhook part. From webhooks we can do that, but in this video I will we can also use PolSCA, which is all which if we so if we give this in the schedule, that means it will check every minute if there is a change in the file, and it will run build automatically trigger the build part. So let's go ahead. So I will select this option so that my system memory doesn't keep filling every time we start a build. And add a build step, we will, since this is a Windows machine, I'll execute Windows batch command. First I will build the image. So to build the image we will first we will use the docker build command. Docker build, so we use docker build dash t, and then the dash t is for a image tag name. So my username in docker hub is eg falcon, so I will use that. And then so that if we in future want to push our image to docker hub, we can do that. And then uh, the image name my web, and so this will build the image. And then dot, so this dot means the current, all the files in the current directory. And since the current directory from our git is this file, so it will locate our docker file, and using that docker file it will build the image. So we can also add a post build script, so that before it deletes any uh, container image which was already built in, so that when we again build, it doesn't give an error that a certain container already exists. So we will just force remove the container name, which will be same as the, in this case I will keep it the same as the image name. So then we apply and save it. So now we will build the image and see what happens. Okay, so it shows a success. Let's see the output. So here we can see the docker build command, and then after the build script was also run, the post build script finished with a success. So to run the project, we open terminal, the docker run command, and then we specify the port. I'm using port 8888, and then we use the name tag my web, and then the image name which was, and we press enter. So let's see what's the output. So it says it is running. So let's check. Look, so this is our web app which is running properly. So if we refresh, it will show a different cat gif every time. Thank you.